Welcome to the How It Works page. I'm willing to bet you have a lot of questions. How much cash I'm gonna offer you, how long it's gonna take, how I'm gonna calculate that offer. Instead of explaining it to you, why don't I show it to you? All right, come with me. Let's pretend for a moment like this is your house. Your neighbor's house, however, just sold for $400,000. Exact same house, same square footage, same location. The only difference is their house has new windows, new sink, new fridge, new tub, new countertops, new plant, new cabinets. First, we determine the after repair value of your property. Basically, what we think it'll sell for completely fixed up. Then we determine, based on its current condition, how much we're gonna have to spend to renovate it to get it to that condition. We subtract the repair cost from the after repair value, then we subtract our minimum profit needed to make it worth it for us, and boom, that's your offer price. It's super simple. We're not out here trying to play games or lowball you based on your situation or how desperate you are. It's just a simple formula. If it works for you, fantastic. We'll meet at the closing table, sign the paperwork, we get the deed, you get your money, everyone walks away happy. If not, no big deal. Fill out any form on our website or call us and we'll be happy to just walk you through this process. So we look forward to talking to you.